Hello friends, welcome to the BDQ Utopia video editing tutorial. Today, I will show how to create a split screen template using CapCut. Let's start the tutorial together step by step. I have imported two images. One is white color and the other is green color. Add the white color image to the timeline and set the duration to 8 seconds. Now add the green color image and adjust the duration. Add the circle mask to the green screen. Set the height and width value of the mask to 400. Now add 3 keyframes to the mask size. Add 0 seconds, 3 seconds and 6 seconds duration. At the first keyframe position, set the height and the width value of the mask to 1. At the second keyframe position, set the height and the width value of the mask to 1. Keep the playhead at the third keyframe position. At this point, set the height and width value of the mask to 1800. If you play the video, it looks like this. At the third keyframe position, the green solid will cover the full screen. Add another green screen to the timeline. Add the circle mask and set the height and the width value to 400. Add 4 keyframes to the mask size. At 0 seconds, 3 seconds, 5 seconds and 5 seconds 15 frames duration. Add 3 keyframes to the mask position at 0 seconds, 3 seconds and 5 seconds duration. I have created 3 more duplicate copies of the green screen using Alt plus left mouse button. Keep the playhead at the starting point. Place 4 circle masks on the 4 corners as I have shown in the video. Forward the playhead to the third keyframe position. Place 4 circle masks on the 4 corners, same as the first keyframe position. Forward the playhead at 5 seconds and 15 frames duration. Change the height and width value to 1 for all circle masks that are placed on the corner. Again, keep the playhead at the starting point. Change the height and the width value to 1 for all circle masks that are placed on the corner. Select all video tracks and create a compound clip. The template is ready, and move the compound clip to the above video track. Add a video to the below track. Select the compound clip and enable the chroma key from the cutout. Use the color picker tools and select green color. If you are using the older version of CapCut, then you have to increase the strength value. In the newer version, strength value automatically increased. Select the compound clip and reduce the opacity to 50%. That's all from this tutorial. I hope now you understand how to create a split screen template. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.